Hi there, welcome along to another Jenny video. We've got something special here today. We've been out on a visit to the Ribble Steam Railway up in Preston. Ridden the train, it's pretty good. Let's take a look. Got a bit of a rot problem on that door. I think normally they'd have like a thing that chucks the water out, but they've taken it off because it's been rotting behind. Yeah. Should we get on?
Yeah.
I believe this should be our spot.
There we go.
Thank you. These are the bitumen tankers that are the main reason why this line remained open long enough to be saved. Still worked in here a couple of times a week and provides some revenue to the preserved railway that runs it here now.
What brought you up? All right. No, no, family.
There is.
In fact, there's quite a few 16-ton minerals. There's another
Are they
4 down.
dogfish, those swans?
They're either dogfish or catfish. I'm not sure how to tell the difference.
Yeah, I think they're dogs. Catfish are the cut down ones.
Yeah.
Really cut down.
Oh look, they're building a signal box there. In fact, yeah, you can see it right down at the far end. That's the base for it there with the rails, the metal rails.
Yeah. Oh, right, yeah, I see what you mean.
And that cabin down there is what's going to end up going on the base.
A few more 16 tons over there.
Yeah, just said there's 4 there. At least 1
Yeah.
there. In fact, no, that's not a 16-ton, that's an MDV. That's
Oh,
the
yeah,
24.5 ton. They really are more unusual. And fade to black. End of video. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and it was a really good day actually. And don't forget to like this video, share it too, and subscribe to the channel. You'll be the first to know about new videos as and when they go up. And thanks again for giving it a watch. You take very good care of yourself, and until next time, bye for now.